Imagine a surveyor standing at point P and trying to locate two different towns named Q and R. The first information given is that the bearing of Q from P is 150 degrees. This means that from the north direction at point P, the surveyor turns clockwise through 150 degrees before drawing a straight line to Q. Therefore, Q lies in the southeastern direction from P. The distance from P to Q is 24 kilometers. The next information states that the bearing of P from R is 015 degrees. This means that if a person stands at R and faces north, he turns clockwise through 15 degrees before looking directly toward P. However, since we need to work from point P, we find the reverse bearing. To obtain the reverse bearing, 180 degrees is added to 15 degrees, giving 195 degrees. Therefore, the bearing of R from P is 195 degrees. This shows that R lies slightly to the west of the south direction from P. The distance from P to R is 32 kilometers. Now both lines, P to Q and P to R, can be imagined on the same diagram. The angle formed between the two lines at point P is found by subtracting 150 degrees from 195 degrees. This gives 45 degrees. Therefore, the angle between Q and R at point P is 45 degrees. To calculate the distance between Q and R, the cosine rule is used because two sides and the included angle are known. The two known sides are 24 kilometers and 32 kilometers, while the included angle is 45 degrees. Using the cosine rule and carrying out the calculations carefully gives the square of the distance between Q and R as approximately 513.89. Taking the square root of this value gives a distance of about 22.67 kilometers. Therefore, the distance between Q and R, correct to two decimal places, is 22.67 kilometers. The next task is to determine the bearing of R from Q. To do this, the angle at Q must first be found. Using the sine rule together with the known sides and the 45-degree angle, the angle at Q is calculated to be approximately 86 degrees. Next, we determine the bearing of P from Q. Since the bearing of Q from P is 150 degrees, the reverse bearing is obtained by adding 180 degrees. This gives 330 degrees. Therefore, the bearing of P from Q is 330 degrees. From Q, the line toward R lies 86 degrees clockwise away from the direction toward P. Subtracting 86 degrees from 330 degrees gives 244 degrees. Hence, the bearing of R from Q, correct to the nearest degree, is 244 degrees. In conclusion, the distance between Q and R is 22.67 kilometers, while the bearing of R from Q is 244 degrees.